Are you looking for a befitting recreational center with modern facilities to simply relax with your family? The Arches Maiduguri Central Park is the answer. It is the chosen comfort zone where your children will have a lot to enjoy and relax. The Arches has different types of swinging and bouncing castles, such as F1 and K1 car toys for children to have fun and satisfy their driving curiosity. Not only that, the Arches has a befitting swimming pool for children and adults, in addition to private swimming pool for you and your family members alone to relax and have fun. What's more, the Arches has a restaurant with African and continental dishes, shawarma, burger and assorted drinks, as well as ice cream with 24-hour power supply for your relaxation. The Arches is open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Visit us at Argungu Street near Ngamtuku Hospital along Dambua Road, Maiduguri. The Arches, Maiduguri Central Park is the place.